Welcome back to your favorite half ASS YouTube channel, boys. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to swear within like the first 10 seconds of a YouTube video. So back in action, we're back in the action, boys. 10 seconds up, ass! Boys, we got a big video today, man. Now, I'm not lying when I say this, and you guys know NameBran's not a liar. If anything, I'm a white liar. You know what I mean? Figuratively and physically, I'm a white liar, you know? When I say that this is the most requested replica pendant of a rapper I should buy and review, I mean it, and I'm telling the truth. Boys, finally, we're unboxing what I think is my personal favorite ever rapper chain that a rapper has ever bought. Rapper, pendant, whatever it is, you know what I mean? GRIZZLEY'S $300,000 new rapper chain. We just bought the perfect replica, almost. Now, of course, boys, appreciate your support as always. You know, YouTube didn't share our last video, so if you guys just want to go check it out, it was an absolute messy, and the cameraman joined us. It was great, though. Great mess, you know? I don't say half-assed channel for nothing. I try, it's just everything I seem to do in life comes out looking half-assed. I don't mean it to be that way. Anyway, boys, you guys have been supporting, therefore I want to do a giveaway of this this diamond bust-down watch right here. All you guys gotta do, I'll make it easy, 1,600 thumbs up within the day, and this goes out to one of you guys. Just thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Let me know when you did that. Cool, thank you. Let's get on to it. After this sponsorship, we got one, boys. This is sick. Boys, this video is brought to you by Manscape.com. Not only do I love them because I get to make ball jokes for a good minute straight, but also, boys, these guys have saved my ball sack's life. Now, what we're gonna be talking about today is a performance package with a slogan like "Your balls will thank you." You know they're there for the boys, man. I can't stress it enough. And when I'm talking to boys, I'm talking about your little testes down below. Now, inside the performance package, you're gonna find a lot of things. I'm gonna start this off with one question, boys. You ever slice open your ball sack? Well, gone are the days of that with the lawnmower. This thing is nick safe. Think about your sack as an eggshell, if you will. Don't crack the eggshell, boys. We don't want nicks. We don't want tears. We don't want spillage. With this waterproof trimmer, with skin-safe technology, there will be no nicks. Boys, we can't forget that we need to groom the area. It just makes it look bigger in general, so why wouldn't you? Now, this performance package comes with a few more things, such as the ball toner, boys. If you don't like the shower, just a couple spritz, not in your eyes. Couple spritz, you're good to go. Tinder date will never know you didn't shower. Of course, if you're in a shower, and we do have the hair and body wash, you can just spread it all around. Great for your manhood. As well as the ball deodorant, boys, smell matters. In the performance package, you also have your regular grooming tools, such as tweezers, nail file, whatever you need right here in this cool little package. Last but not least, we got the weed whacker. A lot of you guys don't think about the fact that you gotta shave your nose, nostrils a little bit. You know what I mean? Your ears too. A couple hits in there, it's all good. Now, if you guys order today, we're giving you guys a special discount of 20% off plus free international shipping with the link down below using NameBran20 as your checkout code. Not only do you get all of what I just mentioned, but you're also gonna get 2 free gifts, Manscape boxers. I don't want to tell you I wore them, so I won't. Beautiful quality though. As well as a nice little sack carrying case for your sack essentials. Manscaped, once again, your balls will thank you. Appreciate you. Let's go. Boys, back to the video, back to T Grizzly. Even though it's so requested, I haven't done this video too fast because I feel like he's not such a household name where a lot of you guys are really gonna care. However, he did just come out with a chain, a new one, like I said a couple weeks ago, and Icebox actually just put a video out on that. So for those who are unaware, and I actually haven't watched this video, we're gonna just check that out. I'm gonna react to it. We're gonna check out how his new chain actually looks. Then we're gonna unbox the replica chain that I just bought to show you guys of what he just bought. To show you guys. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, let's hop on the computer real quick. I've been excited to watch this Icebox video with him. Private browsing mode engaged. Alright, boys, so we are on, I think it's this one right here. Now, the reason I wanted to actually check this video out is because this is his new piece. The center right there. He actually has 2 of these. I'm wondering why he has 2. He just got a new one made, $300,000. I think the last one was $400. Oh.
You gonna take these 20 though? Yeah, man. Stop me through the airport with you.
Yeah, they will stop you. Screw off ad. Dear God. So this guy apparently this guy's just absolutely spent like some of the most money at Icebox, or he's one of their favorite, I don't know what it is. He's got a lot of clout there. What's the cool people say? You got a lot of clout there, man. He's no cap. I think that's kind of cool to say. Anyway, this is his new piece. Usually with this, you're just counting money. I kind of know the format of Icebox videos right now. Probably checking out a watch he wants to buy. Then at the end, they're going to show his new piece. Dude, I'm going to flip out. Imagine if I make you watch an ad in a video that's not my ad. Well, I guess I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it right now. Brad, stop. Pause? No, just skip it. Alright, so let's check out this new piece. It is crazy. Like I say, this might be one of my favorite pieces in the rap game. This is him buying it, I guess. I just think it's a really sick looking design. It's half him, half bear. Oh, damn! And we just bought the replica of that. About to check that out. Wow. So what this guy just said is it's real VS diamonds. I kind of like that. A lot of these guys, it's like, it's real VVS. I know a good jeweler buddy tells me on some of the BS, and he's like, man, almost all the time, it's not actually VVS diamonds. It could just be really, really good SIs, whatever. They said VS. I like that. So at least they're not banking it up as the best of the best. I'm still wondering why this guy's got 2 of them now. Damn. So as y'all can see, it's half his face, half beast. Let me just say also, this guy, if not looking like an NFL player, he looks like a goddamn lovable guy. I just want to give him a hug, you know? He looks like he'd be accepting to it, too. Looks just like a friendly dude, you know? Wow, what a beautiful... Okay, so this is... I've seen a picture of this. This is the clasp, bro. I doubt the piece that we got's gonna have a clasp like this. But this is... That's so sick. To me, I saw a pic of that. It's the bear claws.
You guys gotta see that one more time. This is the craziest piece ever. He said do whatever
it's the
you
craziest
want.
piece ever.
Crazy. This lot with the paw.
Wow. That's really cool.
Yeah.
It's definitely not much more work, but I like the design of it.
Yeah.
Okay, now here's both of them. What in the hell are you doing, bro? This one's all white, and this one's like got a different tint to it. You just got 2 now? I guess? I don't know if that one's rose gold or what. Or that's real, yeah, some rose gold underneath maybe. Now he's got 2.
And with all white on white?
Dude's got a mil almost of chains, but doubles. I don't know why. Yeah, man. You're gonna hold it down, that's for sure. You just put a lot of money in their wallet.
Half bear.
Oh.
Get more when I cover it up like that. Half T Grizzly.
Half bear.
Now show his face. And then also, the lock of this piece is totally unique, custom made just for him.
Beauty. Anyway, boys, so that's his new chain right there. I thought we'd just check it out real quick. For those who are unaware, this is probably my favorite rap chain of every rapper's. Any rap thinks so. Now let's get on to the unboxing of what we just got. The perfect replica. Maybe.
That's the new piece.
Didn't think you were getting 2 door kicks today, did ya? Now I gotta confess, boys. I had 2 options to buy this pendant. There's one really, really good one online, and then there's one just regular pendant replica that you generally see most people selling. The really, really good one is on Etsy. I'm just gonna show it off right now. If you guys wanna buy it, you can buy it, but it's $700 or I think it's $900 American. Canadian, that's like almost $1,300. I was not about to spend that money unless you guys give so much love on this video. I'm so down to do that. Just keep in mind, I'm not gonna make my money back with one video of $1,000 probably. Without further ado, here is his like batter replica one. I hope it's big too. I'm feeling this thing. I've been feeling it for a few days trying to figure out this video. It feels not life size to his, but we'll see. Okay, great. We have the freaking brand. You've been so good. Not pissed off once this video. Let's keep it like that. Oh god. All right, first, okay, it comes with a chain at least. Pen, it just fell out. I'm feeling it in my hand. God dang. Feeling it in my hand. It feels like a freaking quarter, bro. It's small. It's small. Anyway, here's the chain. I think I got this one for like 50 bucks. Boys, if you really want to actually rock this in person, go with the $1,000 one. Trust me, it looks sick. Don't go with this. I mean, do whatever you want, bro, but I'm just trying to look out for y'all. If you really want a cool piece, you really respect T Grizzly, you want to rock his stuff, do it. But this is the chain it comes with. So kind of like the one he just had. Let's look at the clasp. Absolutely not. It's not even one of those like clip-on clasps. It's just one of these ones where you gotta spread it out like a butterfly. There's the chain it came with. Next, where's the piece? I just hid it away from my eyesight. Now I can't find it. Oh, it's upside down. There it is. I should have gone with the more expensive one. My bad, boys. You just gotta look at logistics here, you know? Once again, I'm not gonna make my money back at all. So, dear God, oh, I don't even want to look at it fully. I want my full reaction on camera. You guys looking at it too. How many times do I gotta bite the thing? Boys, tell me what it looks like. I saw a glimpse. I didn't look at it close at all. Dear Christ. Oh God! It looks like a demented walrus. No, it doesn't even have the tin Sasquatch. We'll go with Sasquatch with a little comparison. Boys, let's do what they did with, oh God, go with the expensive one. So this right here is the Beast. We'll do what they did on Icebox. And then this is, wait, is that the Beast? No, that's T Grizzly. Oh God, my bad, bro. Sorry, I thought you were a Beast for, okay, so that's T Grizzly, and then that's the Beast, is what they call it, which I would just say is a grizzly bear, you know? Oh God, it's not sick. This is why I didn't want to do this video, because I knew what my options were. I knew you guys wouldn't be satisfied. But let's put this thing on real quick. Maybe it looks cool. Maybe it looks cool. From a distance. I might like stand back where the door is over there, and then you guys can, if this doesn't fit around the goddamn chain, oh it does. I've had pendants before come with chains, and they, oh this one's a close call, and they don't fit through the thing. Alright, so you really gotta muscle it. What a mess. I'm trying to be real nice right now about reviewing this thing. It already broke. Thing just snapped off. Anyway, there's your T Grizzly video, guys. You've been asking for it. Appreciate you for watching, marking the game the greatest of all time. What else can I say? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Don't buy this one. Buy the one on Etsy. After I talk to them and ask for commission for sales that I get through this video, maybe. Maybe. I've never done that before. That'd be sick. Bye. Shit. Sorry. I wish it was better, but it's not. It is what it is.